So I had rewatched, y'all know that movie with Halle Berry about the fires and everything. I had rewatched that, and somewhere in that movie my mind was like, so what happens if God forbid, I ain't trying to put this in the universe, Lord, okay, but what happens if not just the fire, but like if your closet catch on fire, if somebody try to rob you after you come out of jail, what would you replace in your collection first, right? I really gave this some thought, and I know I got 6 things that I would replace with the quickness, and this is why. People, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rakita. For those who are new here, where luxury has no limits, and let's be friends. In order to be friends, all you gotta do is hit the subscribe button and we're friends. Boom. So now listen, I thought about this. I really did because one, I wanted to know for myself, and you know, that's a real possibility. You know, like accidents happen, things happen. People might try you and try to steal some stuff after I serve my time. What would be my first priority to replace? So the first item would be my Kirigami set. Oh, wait a minute. Let me do that again. My Kirigami set. Because one is 3 in 1, so you get your bang for your buck. But that's not really why. I mean, it's a good reason why, but not the main reason why. It's because I can use this one set to replace multiple things in my collection, right? The small one would replace a wallet or a card holder. Well, not a wallet. Take that back. Card holder. The middle one can replace a wallet. The larger one can be used as a toiletry pouch, and then also you can buy an insert, add a chain, and you can make it into a crossbody. So I would replace, and then it's at a lower price point. So this will be one of the first, if not the first things I replaced in my collection. Next would be my Versace cardigan. Now, even though it's not mine, because it ain't mine, but I was going back and forth with this and my husband's hoodie. That should be mine, because I wear more than he do. That's not what this is about. Anyway, I was going back and forth between my Versace cardigan and my husband's Louis Vuitton hoodie. What would I replace first? But I decided on the cardigan, and let me tell you why. Even though I typically on a day-to-day in real life wear sweatpants, sweatsuits, hoodies a lot, it's not as versatile because you only going casual with it. Because I promise you, if I see you walking out in these streets with a hoodie and some heels, we gonna have a conversation. I'm gonna want to know, but for why? So it's not as versatile. Now with a cardigan, I can put on some sweatpants, a cami, in this sweater. I can dress it up, put on a little dress, and have this, you know, draped over my shoulders with some heels. Tromba coat. I could wear some jeans with a white tee, or, you know, a matching tee with this cardigan. I can get more out of this cardigan than I could out of the hoodie. So this would be one of the next things that I replaced in my collection. The third thing I would replace is my Pochette Métis. Now, the reason why this would be the third thing, because one, it's a classic, and then two, I'm getting back into handbags, right? I'm starting to replenish my handbag collection. And the reason why this one versus something classic like a Speedy B or a Neverfull is because this Pochette Métis strap, I use Oh my god, I was about to say on everything, but everything a little bit of reach, But I use it on a lot of things. Like I use it on my Speedy 20. I use it on my what is that? The Toiletry 26. Both of them. Like the strap can be used on a lot of different bags, right? So I would want to get this back in my collection, one, so I can have access to the strap again, so when I do buy more bags, I'm going to have that versatility again. And then a Pochette Métis is a classic, so it's like a win for win. Next purchase, if my luxury collection was destroyed, would be this one. No other one. This one. It will be my on the go in the PM size in this poolside blue. Like, because I be saying, I ain't got no real reason, but I be saying, like, I love this bag. I love the colorway. I love the size. I love the weight. I love the space. It's sentimental because my baby already brought me this bag. Even though the next one I find he won't, whatever. It is, I still have the memory. But obviously this was limited edition, so I couldn't just go to Louis Vuitton and get it. So I would have to find it pre-loved in excellent condition. And if I couldn't find this exact bag, then I would cut my losses and I would go to replace my on the go in the GM size in the reverse monogram. So this is the fourth thing I would go to replace. I would try to find this one first. If I can't find this one, this will be my fourth replacement purchase. Boom. And in that order. My fifth thing we're going to talk about that I would go to replace if my luxury collection was destroyed. Why I keep saying that? Like, you get it. Like, man, we see the title of the video, okay? My bad. But would be my Denim Speedy. Because until you get this bag, you don't realize how much you wear it. It's kind of like jeans. It go with everything. And it's easy, you would think, because this is soft denim, you would think it snags easily, have runs in it, but it does not. It does not. Now, obviously, I am careful with this bag. I'm making sure where I lay it down. I'm not rubbing up against any chain link fences, right? But it's not horrible to look after. And I've worn this bag so many times, so many different ways, with so many different colors. I will miss this bag if something happens to this bag. But again, like my on the go, it was limited edition. I think a couple of collections after this one, they released the black denim, but I wasn't feeling the black denim like I was feeling her. You know what I'm saying? Like, she can't be replicated. So unless I get, again, pre-loved, excellent condition, I wouldn't be able to get this one. If I can't get this one, then the next on my replacement journey would be just replacing my classics. You know, my Neverfulls, my Speedy B's. Oh, wait a minute, though. Wait. I just had a thought. Another bag I would try to replace is my birthday Speedy. Now, not just a Speedy. Like, eventually I'll get another Speedy, but I will replace my birthday Speedy. Like, this bag was made January of '83, so it's literally my birthday. It's literally, matter of fact, let me look, cause child, I don't want to be lying, but I don't think I'm lying. I don't think I'm lying. Hold on. So I ain't gonna hold on no more. Okay, no, 8/31. I don't know why my mind told me it was actually made on the 4th, but yeah, anyway, but it was made January of '83, which my birthday is January '83. So I would try to get another birthday bag. Obviously, I had Louis Vuitton replace the Fashionphile. So I would try to replace this bag. So I would try to replace the blue Denim Speedy, then try to get me another exact birthday bag, and then I will go into replacing the Neverfulls, the Speedy Bees, the Gracefuls, the book bags, and then obviously new collections will be coming in, you know, just continue my shop and things like that. Okay, good people, that is it. Those are the bags in that order that I would go about replenishing my, or you know, rebuilding, probably a better word, rebuilding my luxury handbag collection, or my luxury collection period. But let me know if something happens. Like, whisper it. Don't put it out loud and proud in the atmosphere. But you know, just whisper. What bags or what luxury items would you replace first if something happened to your collection? But of course, if you haven't already, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notifications so you don't miss a video from me, and then keep up with me on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook at Rakita's Closet, and I will see you beautiful people in the next one. Okay, bye.